If you need to get your hosting or name servers, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find them inside your hosting or dashboard. This is useful if you're connecting a domain, pointing DNS to another service, or setting up a website and need the correct name server values. I'll keep it simple and easy to follow so you can get it done in just a minute or two. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to your hosting or dashboard and sign in to the account that manages your domain. Once you're inside, look for the Domains section. This is where Hostinger keeps all the domain settings in one place, so click on Domains to continue. Next, you'll see a list of your domains. Select the specific domain you want to check. If you have more than one domain connected to your account, make sure you choose the correct one, because each domain may have its own DNS setup or connection status. After selecting your domain, open the DNS or Nameserver section. This is the area where Hostinger displays the current nameserver information assigned to that domain. In most cases, you'll see the default Hostinger nameservers listed there. Typically, those nameservers will look like ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2.dns-parking.com. These are the values you'll copy if another service, registrar, or hosting provider asks for your Hostinger nameservers. Make sure you enter them exactly as shown, including the spelling and formatting, because even a small mistake can cause the domain connection to fail. If you're connecting your domain to a different platform, this is the key information you'll need. On the other hand, if you're just checking what your domain is currently using, this screen gives you the answer immediately without needing to dig through any extra settings. It's also a good idea to double-check whether your domain is using Hostinger's default nameservers or custom ones. If they've been changed before, the values may be different from the default NS1 and NS2 entries, so always confirm what's currently listed in your dashboard before updating anything elsewhere. That's really all there is to it. Go to the Hostinger dashboard, click Domains, choose your domain, and open DNS or nameservers to see the exact nameserver values. Once you have them, you can use them wherever they're needed for domain setup, DNS configuration, or website hosting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.